Next, we teach our clients the hammer for our machine. We have 808 points here, and a hammer with a flat handle. We can see it from the front. The front view is our right-hand side. We put the hammer of the 808 handle on the right-hand side. Here. In fact, you can press backwards if you want. This is not a big request. Let's install it here. Use the screws that come with the case to fix it. Let's fix it diagonally first. Okay, simply fix it first. Then fix the remaining two. Finally, just level all the screws. We're going to install the picosecond handle on the other side. The packaging is the same. It is best for the customer to pack according to our requirements, because we opened this hole for him in advance. If the customer reloads it, he might have to refill the hole. After installing it here, we will assemble the handle. This is the connect and plug button of the picosecond handle. This plug and unplug button is locked by rotating it. Then we first find the insertion of the laser, and then we align. First of all, the two holes in the water level correspond here. After we align, by rotating clockwise, it locks when it gets to this position. So here we go a little bit. If you can't unplug it, you can. The other handle is installed in the same way. This is where we put the handle. After it is installed, we will add water to the machine. Let's look behind the machine. There are water hoses on it. Drain hole, overflow hole. When we add water, open the overflow hole first. Here to teach customers how to operate. The funnel we fix to the water outlet. Then the overflow hole opens. Add purified or distilled water. The instrument is now full of water. And according to our standard, add it to the overflow hole after the water comes out. It proves that the water tank is full. Now we just take the funnel off, screw back the lid of the overflow hole. Just add water. The overflow hole can be tightened without screwing it very tightly. Loosen it up. It's about half tight and half loose. This will make the air circulation more natural. We continue to install the foot control switch as well. Plug it in this position. Then the two cooling fans here are behind. If you put the machine, don't plug it. Then there is the jack for the power cord. We'll power up the instrument later with this power cord. And here are two goggles. One is worn by the patient, one is worn by the operator. Normally, patients will wear more blindfolds. But we have two goggles here, so the patient can wear a pair of goggles. And here we have the probe. These two are not standard. These three probes come standard. Then these two are optional non-invasive probes. Let's talk about these three first. All 1320 is to operate the head of the black-faced doll. 532 is the operation of colorful tattoos and spots. Then 1064 is for tattooing. Some black and blue pigments. Darker pigment. These two golden non-invasive heads is wavelengths of 106 and 532 respectively. It's above us. The function of these two heads is the same. But here's the beauty. It acts on the skin, the one it blasted. It will be smaller than the above two. That's one of the nice things about it. This is our blindfold. It is the patient who wears this blindfold for clinical purposes. We teach customers to assemble it. It must be aligned here. Just align and screw it on. We then teach the client how to turn on the machine. First, this screen. Just adjust and angle yourself. And then the red is the emergency switch. We usually rarely use it. On the right is a key switch. Normally, we receive the machine first. Turn the emergency switch first. Is it closed? Normally it bounces off. It only opens when you press it down. It is now closed. Then rotate the key to turn it on. The moment we turn it on, our ears are close to the handle. Listen to these two handles. Is there any water flowing to the handle? If there is water coming up, make sure the machine is running normally. It is the water pump that normally pumps water to the handle for circulation. Normal at this time, we can pump for about a dozen seconds. By tens of seconds, our instrument is powered off at this time. Repeat the step of adding water. The same is added to the water outlet of the overflow hole. You can stop adding water at this time. We add water twice to avoid water in the tank. After pumping part of the upper handle, in a state of water shortage, so we add water a second time. We'll turn it on when it's done. Choice of two handles. This is the picosecond interface. After coming in, settings with energy. There is a hertz setting. Let's look at the minimum energy here. Here it is. Lowest. This is highest, and hertz is lowest, and hertz is highest. Here is the water temperature. There is also the state of normal operation of the lamp tube. This is their icon, including the current side. The bottom here is the number of records. This is ready at stop. Hit the back button, then enter the handle selection interface again. Then enter the 808 handle operation interface. Select the size of the area, then choose a skin tone. It can also be understood that it is the color of the hair. Select here. After selecting, select Click Humanoid. After entering, there are three options on it. The first one is hair removal and skin rejuvenation. The second is hair removal. The third is the flash mode. Flash mode is generally used for large-scale hair removal. Then there is a pause with adjustment at the bottom. This is the interface. This is its highest pulse width. When the frequency is lowest, the pulse width can be reached the highest. And here we're going to look at frequencies. Let's start by adjusting the pulse width. Then turn the frequency up. As you can see, that's when the frequency is the fastest. We have to have the minimum pulse width. Then the refrigeration is turned on at the bottom. It's not open now. It is now open in second gear, third gear, fourth gear and fifth gear. Fifth gear is the highest. We normally use it before use. Turn on the refrigeration first. Refrigerate for about 5 minutes. Rate clinical. We can ignore it here. Roughly know, one is the speed of water flow, one is the temperature of the water, then here is the recorded number of runs. After setting the parameters here, click here to be ready. Let's take a look at other user interfaces. If we remove hair and rejuvenate skin, including this flash mode, their interface is the same. There is more regulation of this energy. After setting it up, just get ready.